Hi Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for September the 12th to September the 15th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon and you're very much welcome. So kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright, I want you to know, Aquarius, that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. No? So Aquarius, parang sinasabi dito na ayaw pang umamin, no, nito ni person. Sabihin natin either this is your person's emotion or meron siyang tinatagong emotion sa'yo na much deeper pero hindi niya masyadong ini-express, no? Kumbaga, meron tayong gut feeling, meron tayong somehow hinala. It may apply for those who are in a situationship or yung mga crushes. Parang alam natin dito na oo nga, meron ding siyang nararamdaman sa atin, no? Meron ding kahit papaano reciprocation, no, ng energies na ibinibigay natin. Pero ang nakikita natin dito is hindi niya masyadong verbally, no, sinasabi. Para tayong nakikipaglaro ng charades, no? Ano ba yung charades? O yung parang Pinoy or parang Pinoy henyo, no? Somehow nandun yung clues pero kailangan mong maghirap ng konti para makita, no, itong kanyang or matumbok yung kanyang gustong mangyari or gustong sabihin, no. Truth be told, I feel like si person is hindi naman siya ganun ka vocal talaga. Probably sabihin natin your person was built like that, no. Reserved, tahimik, hindi mushy, or pwede rin itong sabihin natin strategy ni person. And that somehow makes you feel sad, a bit disappointed because kung totoong may nararamdaman ka, ba't mo pa ako pinapahirapan, di ba? Kung totoong may nararamdaman ka at gusto mo rin ako, siguro nagtatanong tayo, what's stopping you, no, from telling me, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, Aquarius, parang sinasabi na natin, I want you, no? I like you. I know that you like me too. Pero parang may hindrance, may walls, no? Dito sa iyong nararanasan ngayon, no? With the King of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. So parang sa'yo, puro gawa, no? Puro gawa si person. Sometimes, di ba sabi nga nila, talk is cheap. Action speaks louder than words. Pero sa'yo, parang mas more of nasobrahan, no? Si person na puro gawa. Ayaw mo namang mag-assume. Ayaw mo, kumbaga, mag-astang pilingera, no? Na, may tumalon. Tignan na natin. The Nine of Wands. So ayaw mo naman ding sabihin nito na kahit meron kang hint, no, ayaw ko naman maging makapal ang muka, no, na baka sabihin mo nag-a-assume ako or baka mamaya umasta ako na, you know, beyond my limit. Gusto ko rin somehow nasasabi. Mas maganda kasi yung balanse na nasasabi mo, ginagawa mo, no? Kasi kapag sinasabi mo lang at hindi ko nakikita, hindi rin gano'n kaganda, no? Parang magmumukha kang sinungaling sa harap ko kasi hindi mo naman siya ginagawa. Ang nangyayari nga, puro gawa, nasan yung salita? So, ginagawa ka ngang parang naglalaro ng charades. Mabuti sana kung you know how to read tarot, no? Pero misconception yun, ha? Chances are most likely itong mga tarot readers, no, they have a gift of sharing their God-given talent to others pero hindi nila kayang gamitin, no? Most, hindi ko sinasabing lahat, most. And I'm one of those na I can share my gift to others pero when it comes to me, I need other people, no? That's how it was built. No man is an island, diba? That's why it's called usually in the medieval times sisterhood, diba? That's how you connect with people na rin. Anyway, let's go back to the reading with the Four of Cups. So parang sa'yo, ayokong i-preempt, ayoko masyadong pansinin, ayokong masyadong e-entertain kahit kinikilig ako, no? Ayokong, well, deep inside, nabibigyan natin ng ibang interpretation, nandun na tayo. Pero pinipigilan nating umakto, no? Lalo na, ayokong mag-act as if boyfriend or girlfriend ako nitong taong ito, no? Somehow, dumadating yung part na sasobrahan ako. Pero ayoko yung palagi, no? Ayoko kasing makarinig, baka masaktan ako, no? If my assumptions, no, are being rejected or baka masaktan ako kapag naprangka ako or narinig ko na hindi pala yun, no? With the Fool card and the Hermit. For a few numbers of you, this is a representation of there might be some age gap. It may be a May-December love affair. It may not also be, it's not always determined by age. Pwedeng konti lang din naman ang age gap, no? Pero if this is not age, chances are the maturity itself, no? Merong mga batang medyo matured or ancient na mag-isip. Meron din namang mga matatanda na isip bata, no? So, the maturity per se, if we're not talking about age gap, I am seeing here that probably medyo umaalis din tayo dun sa dynamic na yon. Nagpapamiss tayo, no? Probably we are also depriving the person of our energy para at least i-test sila or maipush sila masabi sa atin kung ano itong nararamdaman nila. With the Three of Swords, the Sun, the Two of Cups, and the Four of Swords. So parang pinipigilan natin ang sarili natin dito na, uy, wag kang masyadong mag-assume, wag mo masyadong paasahin ang sarili mo. Nangyari na to sa'yo dati. Chances are, it happened before na nasaktan tayo. Parang, nire-remind mo yung sarili mo na, haven't you remembered na nasaktan ka sa ganyang sitwasyon dati? Eto na naman ba tayo? Ulit na naman tayo uli. But hoping, no, sana someday, sabihin na ito ni person, maipagtapat niya na, no? Magkaroon na siya ng lakas ng loob para sabihin kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman. So let's check here your person's emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion, ha? My love for you is stronger than ever. So ito na nga, nagsisink in na. Nabibigay na natin yung ayaw man natin, hindi natin napipigilan na, ayan na, nag-iisip na tayo or iniisip na natin siya, no? Let's get one more card. I need to sort things out first before I can come to you. So, I think na meron naman talagang emotion, feelings, and meron yata ditong kailangang ayusin, no, si person, para wala siyang baggage when your person decided to finally, no, approach you. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, uh, Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Capricorn. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So Aquarius, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, then magtanong na kayo dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dun po sa description box, there is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Huwag pong trigger happy. Sa baba po nun, no? Kasi hindi siya kasya sa screen ng phone ninyo. Sa baba po nun, nandun po yung QR codes and nandun po yung amount, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Ayan. So, I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. Kung susumahin nyo, mas mura nga siya per question, no, kaysa dun sa mga TikTok. Or, yung 4 questions nga, discounted na, may libre pang isa, no? And if you want to book a private reading, check nyo na lang po yung mga QR codes, nandun naman siya, no? So, Aquarius, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede po kayong sumali sa ating raffle, no? For you to win a private reading. Paano po yun? Meron po diyang mga fake accounts. Gusto niyo pong i-report or paki-report, then screenshot your report, send it to the designated email. Pag nagapin natin yan, bubunot po tayo ng winner for a private reading. And speaking of, nakapagpasara na tayo ng 2, so konti na lang, no? Aquarius, kung hinahanap niyo po yung ibang mga readings, nandun po yan sa ating Facebook account, no? Especially for those readings na mga ang topic is mga X, no? Nandun po yan sa ating Facebook. Kung hindi niyo po mahanap yung Facebook, bumalik kayo dun sa question form. May mga icons po doon sa question form sa taas. Click the Facebook logo or icon, dadali na kayo doon sa ating Facebook account. We will be having Facebook exclusive, TikTok exclusive, and dito po sa YouTube, pang dito lang, no? So, I'm working on it. This is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye!